Fucking with that Casamigo hung me over. Young homies in the hood call me money over. No matter how I look, my money over. She go up in that bag, hand that money over. Yeah, I'm feeling good as I should. Got the Henny and wood, running trains, little engine that could. Talking about you niggas, wish I would belittle myself to upgrade my wealth. Only need C's on my belt, waves on Michael Phelps. You corny niggas beat it. Now I know how Michael felt. Cause I'm a MJ too, that's what MJs do. All I bust is MJ moves. Fuck it, call me MJ Smooth. 5 sons, all of them is MJs too. The shit about this MJ you niggas never knew. Call me money over everything, aka revenue. They didn't baptize me, even the revenue. Moses, move the water out the way, I'm coming through. Every nigga that I know is either red or blue.
And that's true. Don't let them looks get you poked up, mouth get you choked up. Big power rule, but the cuz always loped up. Don't fuck with 12, book got hounds for the coca. Nigga, this is practice. Welcome to my service, I'm a Baptist. Stay with a bad bitch. Looking Japanese and flipping shit just for the practice.
For the practice. And there's no such thing as what I better do. Break a nigga jaw, 6 months, wet bread and soup. I'm a loony. Ever since young I was a goonie. What you expect? I'm from the boonies. 10 million my fruit of loonies. I was a kid moving fast, zoomy. I'ma say what I want, fuck it, sue me. That's the only thing you fuckers could do to me. Other than that, put in the grave due to me. Or catch a big beat down brutally. Cause all this fuck shit is new to me. Truthfully, facts remain, it's the blue for me. Ain't about a bag, there's nothing you could do for me. See, my pops told the truth to me. Minus the kids, fuck everybody, do for me. It was a deep, useful speech from the heart. So now I do it when I speak. It's a dark center of the chart. This a art, Vin Diesel, pitch black. I see you in the dark. I catch you on the corner or maybe in the park.
I hope he ain't a narc. He knew it from the bike cause we don't bark. Riding on the wave cause this the arc. With a bunch of animals, we pushing shit, no key to stop. Put another fucking 100 on the bank, we beat the odds. And double it cause niggas only had the key to start. We the honchos, Poppy always got it to us pronto. Only in the league cause of blocks like Alonzo. Long nose, got it for you Muppets, nigga Gonzo. I'm a long ranger, I ain't fucking with you Tonto.
We raw like the papers, only fucking with the Fonto.